Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's best traffic exchanges for leads in 2021 video, this is number 2 in the series, and we are going to look at what is one of my favorite traffic exchanges and one that I use on a daily basis as part of my marketing strategies. Totally free to join and has been online for 12 years. So a very solid platform if you're looking for a home for a daily traffic exchange. It's free to join. There'll be a link below in the description where you can sign up for free. This is much more than a traffic exchange. It includes buyers. You can earn commissions by promoting this traffic exchange, recurring residual commissions, and it's got all the free tools, traffic and training that you need all in one home here to build an online business. If you like make money online videos, then click subscribe and ring the bell icon for notifications, and then you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Today's traffic exchange is called LeadsLeap. I'm going to show you inside the back office exactly how LeadsLeap works. I'm going to give you a live demo. If you want more information than just this video, then if you click playlists on my channel, then you'll see on the right hand side here I've done 9 videos in a playlist. I'll put that in a link in the comments underneath this video, so if you want to have a look on there. And if you want more information on the tools within LeadsLeap, you'll see here in the green and the red I've done autoresponder. So these are all free tools as a free member: capture page builder, landing page builder, pop-up generator. So I've done other videos on my channel if you want some more information on those tools as well. So let's have a look inside LeadsLeap. If you decide you want to join, then don't get overwhelmed. There's quite a lot of information when you first join LeadsLeap. It's a very busy platform, but once you start to find your way around it and use it on a regular basis, it's really organized and really user friendly. What I like about it is this earn 4 ways. This earn 4 ways here. Excuse me. So a lot of traffic exchanges, you just click on adverts. I'm going to show you here in a few minutes. Click on adverts like here just to get credits. Well, with LeadsLeap, you can get a daily active bonus, and that's a monetary bonus if you do a minimum of 10 ads, view 10 ads per day. So that's a nice little bonus there. Just get some consistency going. Only takes a few minutes. The credits that you get for surfing the traffic exchange, you can actually either use those like for getting visitors to your own websites, or you can convert your credits into cash through their credit encashment scheme. So just gives you options there. They have a pay-per-click program which pays you for sending visitors to the members' ads, and you don't need a website for that. So there's more information inside when you have a look around. And I talked about earning affiliate commissions. As a free member, you can earn 25% recurring commissions when your referrals upgrade. So a lot of people start for free. I started for free, and I saw the value of this platform and the tools and the traffic and the training, and I decided to upgrade. But it can be forever free if you want it to be. So let's just have a look now at the surfing aspect. You'll see here, you can start here within your back office. Things are categorized. That's under traffic exchanges, that's under home business, that's under crypto, that's a new marketing system. So there's different categories within this traffic exchange. There's affiliate marketing, there's traffic, there's systems, there's MLMs, there's software. So there's all different categories. And then what you do is you surf the ad here. It says surfing in progress, and down the bottom left hand side you've got a timer and how many credits that you've got there. So what you do once you've actually surfed and looked at this website here, you've got a couple of options. You can either go more of the same category, which will bring up 2 or 3 different ones here. That's under crypto. That's one that they say don't click on. That's for that's just for their research purposes. Normally 3 adverts here, make money. Or more links goes into different categories. So this one here is e-commerce and this one's make money. So you click on the ad, and then while you're surfing, great to get some ideas of what's really relevant now online. This one's a bit slow in loading, doing the video. So e-commerce, very, very popular. So you can either get some more in the e-commerce, or this one here is multi-level, if you like MLM and network marketing. Then so when you're putting your adverts within the LeadsLeap system, it means you're getting more targeted advertising for the category that you put it into. So if I go into show more links, if I'm not interested in an internet marketing tool or internet marketing, I go more of the same category. So it's really a little bit targeted when you put your adverts in there, which is one of the functions I really like. So what you've got is as a free member, I'm a pro member, so I'll just show you the adverts. As a free member, you get 3 free adverts. 3 free adverts. And look at this one here, 10,000 visits. So what you can do is you can let's have a look. You can edit the ad. You can see your stats. You can pause it. You can delete and change. Lots of different functions within this LeadsLeap platform. So I do lots of different ones in here. I advertise free stuff. I advertise MLM. I advertise paid stuff. So lots of different adverts that you can, depending on what you're promoting within your business. So that's the traffic exchange. Now I want to show you another traffic source which is quite unique within LeadsLeap, and it's called social reviews. Now I do talk a lot on my videos about published content and how important it is to get published content on the internet. So you do a video like I'm doing now, and it's just out on the internet forever. These social reviews are like mini blog posts, but they get ranked immediately in the search engine. So I'm not saying don't write a blog, because I'm going to start a blog probably later this year. But with these social reviews, you can write a review. I'll just show you. I've done, I think, 4 reviews. What you do with these reviews, well, let's just read some reviews. I'll show you what they are. So whatever you're promoting, once you join LeadsLeap for free, whatever you're promoting, you can write a review. You know, you might think I don't like writing, but all they're looking for is just an honest review of a product or a service or an opportunity that you're promoting. So it could fall into an A to Z of any of these. Let's go into safe list mailer. And if you're currently using a safe list mailer like Hercules, like I use, then you write a review on Hercules. So this is one that was written literally a week ago. Now the beauty of these is that these get ranked in the search engines. So I'm going to show you some proof of that. And then you can get traffic and you can get leads and sales from these social reviews. Now, if you don't like writing, all you need to do is go and have a look at what other people are writing. They give you a basic template. So an overview, what you like, what you dislike, final verdict. But then you go into a rotator, and then what happens there is when people sign up, then they can possibly sign up if you're in the rotator to excuse me, to your product or service. Now there's an even better way of doing this I'm going to show you in a minute, but just bear with me. I want to show you how these are ranking. So I've written a Hercules review there into Google. This is page 1 of Google, and these social reviews, because LeadsLeap has been a platform online for 12 years, LeadsLeap is a high authority site. So their information gets ranked very high within Google. So under Hercules Review, you'll see the third listing down, which is actually above Hercules.com, the site itself, are the LeadsLeap social reviews. So people will type in Hercules Review, they'll click on here, and they'll come to the reviews that I've just shown you. So it's an absolutely superb way of getting search engine and free traffic. So you'll see there, have a look at those. And then what you can do is an even better way is they give you a link. Let me show you the link. This is really it's such a great tool to use. So what they do is once you write a review, they give you a promotion link. Now when you promote this link here, then what happens is when they click to join here, that will be affiliated to you. So you are leveraging off the back of every other person's review that's done a really good review or a bad review or an indifferent review, but showing people how they can use a platform and what they're using it for. Because reviews are really that's why Amazon do reviews. Everyone does reviews. That's what works. That's what sells products. And then what happens is when you promote your link, when you promote this link, so you can promote it on social media, and then when people click and read the reviews, then you're going to get some leads and sales to your platform. Now I've just done that. I'm going to show you here. I've just done that within YouTube. I've done a Hercules Plus review, and you'll see here I've done real user reviews. If you've got an email list, you can send the link out to you can send. Oops, we've gone too far there. We've gone to the next video. So I just want to show you here Hercules Plus review, and I've put my link in here in the description to the user reviews, to these reviews here. And then when people click on there, if they decide to join, then that's going to be affiliated to me. So it really is another superb way within LeadsLeap of getting traffic. And you'll see already here, I'm getting clicks, 149, and this is online forever. This is in the search engine forever. It's automated free traffic and being a free member within LeadsLeap. So let's have a look now at what else we can do within LeadsLeap. Let's have a look at some of the tools that we've got. Oh, one more thing before I go about there. LeadsLeap also email out to 120,000 members, and they email out the social reviews. Here's my review from My Daily Choice, which is my primary business. So again, more free traffic just for doing the work once, doing published content once, and getting emailed out to 120,000 members who can click on here. So if they click on there, that will go to my website. You see across the top, welcome to Barry Cross's website, and that's gone out to 120,000 members. It's a growing database all the time, so it's just free traffic. So let's move on now. We talked a little bit about the traffic. Let's have a look at the tools and what LeadsLeap can do for you rather than just being a traffic exchange. So what can you get from LeadsLeap? Free traffic to websites, free autoresponder service, build your own list, not co-owned, free page builder, hosting included, free pop-up generator. So what that does, that helps you build an email list faster, free link tracker, so you can track your websites and track your advertising to see what's working and what's not working, make free money while benefiting from all these. And then if you just go onto the home page here, then it gives you the different tabs. You can click on the link below and have a look at these: free traffic, free tools, free money, and testimonials. Now with the free traffic, it even gives you, before you even sign up, it even gives you an opportunity here to actually try. I'm in the wrong section here. I need to go into the tools section. Bear with me, I'm in the traffic section here. So when you go into free tools, you can even just without even joining. You can just go into landing page builder. So you can click on there and you can play around with the landing page builder. If you'll start to build your own list, it's really important that you build your own list because opportunities come and go. And once you've got a list, then you can play around here with all the different templates. There should be a scroller on here somewhere. Can't find it. There it is. All right, 3, 6, 9, 12, 14 different templates that you can play around with. You just click on template. You don't even have to sign up. You can just play around with it, see if you like it first. It's really good. All right, let's just click on template. It's not bringing one up. Oh, templates are already up. Let's click on a template. All right, so it's initializing. It's going to bring this template up. Let me just show you a squeeze page that I made. If I go into my landing pages, let me just show you a landing page that I just made with this template. So you can do anything you want with these templates. They're absolutely superb. You can put videos in, you can give things away, you can build an email list, you can brand yourself. They really are absolutely superb. Oh, there it is now. So it's low. So I just did this this one here, and I created that from one of these templates. Literally took me about 5 minutes. Okay, you don't have to put this under here. You can take bits out. You can add bits in. It's got all your WYSIWYG down here. It's got a user guide on how to use it. Really beginner friendly. So that's the tools there for lead capture page builder. It's even got a pop-up generator. So what is a pop-up generator? It's when before people leave your website, if you're list building, what you can do is a pop-up comes up, and these are all free tools. These are all free tools that you can use. All right, so go to template and just play around with these, initializing. And again, it's very much like the lead capture page builder. What it does, you can edit it, you can play around with it, you can do lots of animation with it. All you do is click on something here and everything opens up here. It's just a WYSIWYG. Again, a user guide. So I've done some other videos and live demos on this. I think it's these ones here. Yeah, done some live demos in these videos here if you want to have a look at those. So LeadsLeap really is more than just a traffic exchange. It's a way to get free traffic. It's a way to get search engine traffic. It gives you all the tools that you need to build an online business. It gives you training. It's really an all-in-one, absolutely superb traffic exchange. So if you've enjoyed the video, then please click subscribe, and if you just click like and put a comment in there, that will really help support me on my YouTube journey. And if you've got any questions on this traffic exchange, then just put those into the comments below and I shall answer all those for you. So thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye for now.